And welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in this video we are going to check how you can get the free certification course on Introduction to Big Data and Hadoop. And friend, it is absolutely free course and you can take this course from any country. So friend, we are going to check all the details regarding this course, means what types of certificates you will get, what types of contents you will get, and how you have to enroll in these courses. So please watch the video complete so that you can get the all the clarity on this course. So friend, this course is provided by the Great Learning, and you can see the rating of this course is a 4.59 out of 5, and 21,300 learners has been already enrolled in these courses, and the level of this course is a beginner. So you can see here what you will learn in Introduction to Big Data and Hadoop course, like Big Data Basics, then Hadoop and HDBS. So friend, let's check first about this free certification course. So you can see today we are surrounded by a data in our daily lives, and the data doubles every 2 years on this planet, showing its value. Big data defines a vast amount of data, both structured and unstructured. When data becomes huge, identifying the patterns and trends become complex. When existing tools were becoming inadequate to process such large data sets, Hadoop is rapidly becoming an essential skill set for many programmers. Hadoop is an open source platform for writing and running distributed applications capable of processing large amount of data. Distributed computing is a broad and varied field, but the critical distinction of Hadoop are accessible, robust, then you can see scalable and simple. This course provides a Hadoop introduction regarding distributed system and data processing system, and you will also understand Hadoop architecture and learn HDFS basics. So friend, this type of course introduction is given, and friend, you will get this course free lifetime access, and also you will get the completion certificate. So friend, let's check first what types of modules are given under this course. So you can see here the first module is introduction to big data. Then you can see what is a Hadoop, then Hadoop architecture, then HDFS basics. After that you can see demo, HDFS basics, and Hadoop yarn introduction. So this type of modules you will learn in this course. And friend, I will show you what types of contents you will get. But before that, let's check what types of certificates you will get, and after that, we will check how you have to enroll in these courses and what types of contents. So, friend, here you can see on the top right corner, sample certificate is given. Your name will be printed on this certification, and also you can see it is a verified certificate. And friend, you can use this certificate in your LinkedIn profile. Also, you can use this certificate in your resume so that your candidature becomes stronger as compared to other candidates. So friend, let's check how you have to enroll in these courses. For enrolling, you have to simply click on this enroll for free. Once you click, then this type of page will come. Then you have to enter your email address, and now you have to click on this continue. And after that, you will receive the one OTP, and you have to verify your email address. And after that, you have to provide your some details like your name, your contact details, and you have to register. So I have already created my account in the Great Learning, so I will show you what types of contents you will get. So you can see here I have already logged in, and you can see on the top introduction to big data Hadoop is given, and you can see the status in progress is given. So you can see here what types of contents you will get, like you can see here big data touch getting started Hadoop, you can see. And you can see here you will get the video content. So you can see this sample video is given here. So this type of video content you will get, in which you can see a professor is explaining all the things very clearly, so you will understand easily. And friend, along with this video content, you will also get the some ppts. You can see here what is a Hadoop ppt. So and these ppts are downloadable, so you can download it if required. And so friend, the content is very good, and you can increase your knowledge by taking this course. And friend, how you will get the certificates? For getting the certificates, you have to complete the one quiz. So you can see Hadoop basic quiz, you have to pass this examination. And this examination is based on the multiple choice question, and all the questions should be asked from this content given on the starting. So you have to watch the video completely, and you have to learn the ppts correctly, and so that you can answer the question asked in this basic quiz examination easily. And friend, once your quiz examination is completed, and you will get the successfully good marks, and after that you will have to claim your course certificates. So friend, if you have any doubt regarding this job, means in this free certification courses, please comment in the section, or if you are facing any difficulties while enrolling, please comment so that we can resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe mechanical stream. Thank you.